Hi friends, today we're going to read Why Should I Protect Nature? Because the weather's changing and so many new things are happening outside, we have to make sure we're taking care of our earth. Nature is the big wide world all around us, from giant oak trees to little acorns and wiggling worms. The birds chirping in the trees are part of nature. So is the salty smell of the sea, splashing in rain puddles, and the soft fur on a donkey's nose. I used to find nature boring, or pesky, shoo doggy, or creepy. But then our class went on a trip. What do you think happens on their trip? Let's find out. On our trip, we went to the sea and looked in tide pools. It was great. On the way home, we had a picnic in the park. Ooh. I wonder what they ate. What do you think? If I had a picnic in the park, I'd have a sandwich. Everyone got a bit rowdy. That means they got really loud. Craig and Marina broke some branches. I threw my soda can. John picked some flowers, and Sally tried to swat a bee. Uh-oh, are they being kind to nature right now? I don't know. Our teacher, Miss Wade, said we should protect nature, not hurt it. Why should I protect nature? What do you think would happen if everyone broke off branches, she asked. We couldn't climb trees. What else? What else would happen if we broke up all the branches? The trees would have no leaves left, and they couldn't grow properly. Birds couldn't nest in their branches. Uh-oh, and the bird says, trees, trees, save our trees, more trees. And guess what would happen if we all picked flowers and swatted bees? I wonder what would happen. There would be no flowers left, and we'd have no honey for breakfast. And what would happen if we all dropped litter whenever we liked? Litter is trash that you throw on the ground. The countryside would be knee-deep in paper, plastic, and tin cans. Birds and other animals could choke or get trapped in litter and die. Uh-oh, we definitely have to make sure that doesn't happen. Look at the cow. He's caught in a milk jug. No trees, no flowers, no honey, no animals. That would be terrible. So, how can we help nature instead? Instead of picking flowers, we could plant flowers in a corner of the garden. Butterflies and bees love flowers, so they'll visit too. We could plant a tree instead of breaking branches. Cleaning up litter keeps nature looking lovely and helps animals and birds. Look, they went to the pond and they're taking out litter from the water. Now we have fun protecting nature. After all, people are part of nature too. The end.